Welcome to Basic English Stream. Today, there is no long lesson and no large new word list.
Today is our Season 1 Speaking Challenge. We are going to connect the English from episodes 1 through 6.
You will hear a real question, get a short, quiet space, and answer with your own information.
You do not need perfect English. Give one clear answer first, then add one useful detail.
Keep a notebook nearby, but try to speak before you write. Your voice is the main tool today.
Scene 1. You meet a new person at a community class. They ask, "Hi, what is your name and where are you from?"
Answer with your name, your hometown or current city, and one interest. Your turn. Speak now.
A useful frame is, "Hi, I am from, and I currently live in my free time, I like."
Scene 2. A classmate asks, "What is your normal morning like?"
Use usually, then, and after that. Give 3 steps. Your turn. Speak now.
You might say, "I usually wake up at 7. Then I take a shower. After that, I have breakfast."
Scene 3. Your coworker sees your breakfast and asks, "What do you usually have for breakfast?"
Name the food or drink and give one reason with because. Your turn. Speak now.
For example, I usually have oatmeal and fruit because they are quick and filling.
Scene 4. Your roommate asks, "How often do you go grocery shopping?"
Give a frequency, a day if you have one, and 2 things you buy. Your turn. Speak now.
One answer is, "I go twice a week. I usually shop on Wednesday and Saturday, and I buy vegetables and eggs."
Scene 5. A new neighbor asks, "Do you work or study?"
Say your role or subject and one main task. Your turn. Speak now.
You can say, "I work in customer service, and my main task is to answer customer questions."
Scene 6. A friend asks, "What are you going to do this weekend?"
Give one plan, a time, and a backup plan if something changes. Your turn. Speak now.
For example, on Saturday, I'm going to walk in the park. If it rains, I'm going to watch a movie instead.
6 scenes complete. If one answer was difficult, put a small star beside it. That star tells you what to practice, not what to fear.
Next, we will make those short answers more personal and connect them into a real conversation.
Lisa, how do we stop a memorized frame from sounding like a form we are filling in?
Change the details and add a reason. A useful answer often has 3 parts: the direct answer, one detail, and one reason.
So instead of only "I live in Shanghai," I can say, "I live in Shanghai, and I like it because public transport is convenient."
Exactly. We will also use 2 simple connectors. During the week means from Monday to Friday in your normal week.
During the week, I wake up early, but on Sunday, I take it easy.
Our second connector is also. It adds another true detail without making the sentence difficult.
I work in a small office. I also study English online.
Now build an introduction. Start with, "Hi, I am Bunk. I live in Bunk. I enjoy Bunk."
Replace all 3 details with your information. Your turn. Speak now.
Now add your weekday routine. During the week, I usually at Buns.
Add one next step with then or after that. Your turn. Speak now.
Connect breakfast. I usually have for breakfast because und.
Make the food and reason true for you. Your turn. Speak now.
Now choose work, study, or both. I work as, I work in, or I study at.
Add. My main task is to. Your turn. Speak now.
Add shopping frequency. I go grocery shopping, think, and I usually buy, think.
Use once a week, twice a week, or every few days. Your turn. Speak now.
Finish with a plan. This weekend, I am going to. If I am going to instead.
Say your real plan and one possible change. Your turn. Speak now.
Notice the pattern. We did not add difficult grammar. We changed the person, place, time, frequency, task, and reason.
That is how a frame becomes your English. The structure supports you, but the details belong to your life.
One more habit makes conversation natural. Return a question. After your answer, ask, "How about you?"
I usually shop on Saturday. How about you? That small question keeps the conversation moving.
Now the topics will mix. Scene 1. Roy is new at a shared office, and I am meeting him by the coffee machine. Hi, I do not think we have met. I am Lisa. I work in the training team.
Hi, I am Royi. Nice to meet you. I work in content production, and I currently live near the river.
Nice to meet you too. What do you usually do first in the morning?
I usually check the schedule at 9. Then I organize the files for our team. How about you?
I usually answer messages first. After that, I prepare the morning class.
Is that oatmeal on your desk? What do you usually have for breakfast?
Yes, I usually have oatmeal and a banana because it keeps me full. On busy mornings, I grab some toast.
That conversation moved from an introduction to work, a routine, and breakfast without feeling like 4 tests.
Your turn. Imagine you are the new person. Introduce yourself, name one task, and describe breakfast.
Speak for 3 or 4 sentences. Your turn. Speak now.
Scene 2. 2 roommates are planning their week at the kitchen table.
We only have 1 egg left. How often do you usually go grocery shopping?
I usually go twice a week, but I am busy on Wednesday. I can make a quick grocery run after work today.
Great. Do we need anything else?
We need rice, fruit, and some breakfast food. I am going to make a shopping list now.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I am going to visit my parents on Saturday. If the train is delayed, I will call them and arrive later.
Your turn. Answer as the roommate. Give your shopping frequency, 2 items, and 1 weekend plan.
Remember to respond to the change too. Your turn. Speak now.
Scene 3. You meet a classmate after an evening lesson.
Do you work during the week, or are you a full-time student?
I work as a sales assistant during the day, and I also study English online 3 evenings a week.
That sounds busy. What is your main task at work?
My main task is to help customers. I am also responsible for checking the shelves.
How do you wind down after work and class?
I usually take a short walk. Then I have a light dinner and listen to music.
Would you like to practice together on Sunday?
I would love to, but I am visiting my sister in the morning. Can we meet at 3 instead?
Yes, I am available at 3.
Your turn. Answer the classmate. Include work or study, 1 evening routine, and a polite answer to the invitation.
Speak naturally and ask 1 question back. Your turn. Speak now.
Real conversations do not stay inside 1 lesson. A person can ask about work, food, plans, and your free time in 2 minutes.
When the topic changes, listen to the new question and answer it directly. You do not need to repeat your whole introduction.
Welcome to the Fix-It Clinic. I brought 6 sentences that need a little care.
You will hear the sentence first. Fix it before we give the answer.
Number 1. I am live in Guangzhou.
Fix the sentence. Your turn. Speak now.
Say, I live in Guangzhou. For your normal home, use the present simple verb live.
Number 2. I usually eat breakfast at 7.
Fix the verb and the word order. Your turn. Speak now.
Say, I usually eat breakfast at 7. Usually, normally, comes before the main verb.
Number 3. I eat a breakfast before work.
Make the meal phrase natural. Your turn. Speak now.
Say, I have breakfast before work. We normally say have breakfast without a.
Number 4. I go grocery shopping 2 times a week.
Make the frequency shorter and more natural. Your turn. Speak now.
Say, I go grocery shopping twice a week. 2 times is understandable, but twice is the natural, everyday choice.
Number 5. I work a designer, and I am responsible to check orders.
Repair both phrases. Your turn. Speak now.
Say, I work as a designer, and I am responsible for checking orders.
Number 6. This weekend, I will going to visit my friend.
Choose one future form. Your turn. Speak now.
Say, this weekend, I am going to visit my friend. You can also say, I will visit my friend, but do not combine will and going to.
Now say all 6 correct openings quickly. I live. I usually eat. I have breakfast twice a week. I work as. I am going to.
Small corrections make your message easier to follow, but do not stop speaking because one word is not perfect.
Clear communication first, then one useful correction. That is a healthy practice loop.
It is time for the final mission. You will answer 4 connected questions and build one 45 to 60-second talk.
Question 1. Who are you? Where do you live? And what do you enjoy in your free time?
Question 2. What is your normal weekday routine and what do you usually have for breakfast?
Question 3. Do you work or study? What is your main task? And how often do you go grocery shopping?
Question 4. What are you going to do this weekend? And what is your backup plan?
Connect your answers with during the week. Then, after that, because and also. You do not need to use every connector.
Start your 45 to 60-second answer now. If you need more time, pause the video. Your turn. Speak now.
Well done. Now, listen to one model only after your own attempt.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I live in Hangzhou, and I enjoy taking photos in my free time. During the week, I usually wake up at 6:30. Then I take a shower, and after that, I have oatmeal and fruit for breakfast because it is quick.
I work in education, and my main task is to prepare lessons. I also go grocery shopping twice a week, usually on Wednesday and Saturday.
This weekend, I'm going to visit a lake with a friend. If it rains, we are going to have coffee and catch up indoors instead.
The model is not the only correct answer. Your details, order, and sentence length can be different.
Check your attempt with 5 simple questions. Did you introduce yourself? Did you describe a routine and breakfast?
Did you explain work or study and shopping frequency? Did you give a weekend plan? Did you connect at least 2 ideas?
Choose one result. Completed, needs a prompt, or not yet. All 3 results give useful information.
Tomorrow, return without subtitles and try again, with no model first. Change at least 2 real details.
Write 1 line in the comments. During the week, I usually book. This weekend, I'm going to bunk.
And save your recording. In Episode 8, you will use these skills in a real assessment with unexpected follow-up questions.
Episode 8 will test listening, short responses, role play, and a longer answer. It is a learning check, not an official certificate.
Thank you for completing the Season 1 speaking review with Lisa and me on Basic English Stream.
Save this episode. Come back tomorrow and repeat your 1-minute talk without reading.
Share it with a learner friend and practice asking each other one follow-up question.
Listen clearly. Connect your week. Use it today. Bye-bye, and keep your English flowing.